Hello everyone, I'm Richard with Osa Tropical Properties. Today we're here at my new listing in Chontales, Costa Rica. This is a beautiful brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath home right around 2,000 square feet with stunning views of Cano Island, the Sierra River, mountains, and you can see 5 different river mouths from here. Let's go check it out. As you walk in, I can't emphasize enough how great the breezes are in this house. As soon as we come in, we open everything up, making this very comfortable to sit inside without needing AC.